Hi, tell us a little bit about the remodel and what happened here in your house.
Okay. Our home is a 1959 ranch style home. It's 1,500 square feet. The room that we're in now is now our big open kitchen. Before it was a long galley kitchen. Where you see the island, we actually had a wall that completely separated a family sunroom into our long kitchen. So we took the wall out and completely expanded the kitchen so it has a nice open flow. We did beautiful quartz waterfall countertops and went with a very classic style of black and white. This is something that is timeless and will last forever. We love the black grout on the tile. We did subway tiles and wanted a beautiful accent piece behind the stove. So we did herringbone pattern.
Yes, nice.
It's very classic, very timeless, and it goes with the kitchen. We chose black candles, just we are a family of 5 and have small children, so black is also easy to keep clean along
Yes.
with the white. Well, the white not so much. The countertops wipe off very nicely. They're great quality. This was a nice little feature, adding the lights in the cabinets and all the underlighting cabinet along with the open shelving. We wanted to do something fun, so if you follow me into the
Sure. Okay.
living room, we did a little pop of color. This is where we decided to be bold. We upgraded our fireplace. It used to be brick with the wood mantle. So we upgraded it to tiling it with a contemporary painted tile, along with upgrading it to our mantle. So this is something that's fun, that's unique, and is also a way that you could express your style without it being taking over the whole house.
Yes, it's
Yes, so
nice.
we also added a nice barn door for privacy here. Our flooring that we did is actually tiles, so we learned quickly that tile, it's beautiful, it lasts forever, but it also echoes throughout the house. So having this feature definitely helps have the privacy of where our bedrooms are. So our laundry room used to be behind our kitchen wall. So we were brave and put it in our hallway, but we wanted something aesthetically beautiful. So we did
Yes.
add this nice quartz countertop, which is wonderful for folding. We added a rack up on top so we could hang and dry clothing. And if you follow me to the bathroom, this is the other great thing that we did. We upgraded our bathroom. So if you notice, we mimicked the black and white as well in our master. So we did beautiful subway tile with the seamless glass frame. We did a nice bench with the contemporary hexagon tiles. Hexagon is something that is always repeating itself. If you look at styles from the 60s or Spanish style homes, all of them have this beautiful classic timeless hexagon on it. So we added the double vanity, which is so needed. Having an older home, the restrooms were smaller, so adding a double sink just completely made a huge difference in having space for
It's
my husband
beautiful.
and I. Yes.
Beautiful.
Mhm.
Enjoy
We're
it.
very
It's-
happy with Horizon Construction. Thank you.
Thank you. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Enjoy it.
Thank you. Oh, we are enjoying it.